check. I'm a genius when it comes to spitting flows. My 16's hard, don't act as if you didn't know. I'm laying low, not in a circle, but blowing nose and hoping that Buddha knows that there's plenty of foes with four foes trying to get the nigga clipped quick. It's sick shit going on, but I try to stay calm and focus on songs. Cause ones that's doing wrong, trying to have me tag along. If word is bond, I'd rather bond with paper for bonds. That's word with no friends, no games when I hold fence. And these hoes, they hoping that my heart will open and let them into the cash. But my mind says laugh like they did when I was in class and struggle in the past. But at last I passed them with the stash in my last hit. Your boyfriend asked him, he know that there's crack in my tracks when I rap. People clap and react fast, cause they know that the rule in this rap shit is gonna last. It's the fact I'm everything that you lack, nigga, you whack. Don't act like I ain't murdered these rappers with one track. The lights leaked and Bright Peak started the show. Now I got you and your whole front row at my show, whoa. Now I got you and your whole front row at my show, whoa. You and your whole front row at my show, whoa. Whoa. Now I got you and your whole front row at my show, whoa. But shit slow, cause there's no entry for ones that's trying to tempt me with ounces of sticky and icky bitches that's trying to get me hit with a charge. Cause the kid lived large and the stars is where I rest in my bars. They be the best and I brought stay on my chest. And clowns, I never stress. They seeing they could progress, so they trying to get with the checks. Fickle minds trying to blind a nigga shine. My grind never combine with people that's on the side. Cause all of them living lies and I be living these lines like live. Below foes is always a no, so don't go or no when you notice the kids glow. When your hoes backstage giving me a slow blow. I know I spit advanced, right? That's why my advance right. I'm killing any rapper that stand with a pen and mic. Stay out of sight, and I'm trying to be polite, but I swear when a nigga write from the pen, it's gonna ignite. It's like. Stay out of sight, and I'm trying to be polite, but I swear when a nigga write from the pen, it's gonna ignite. It's like. Stay out of sight, and I'm trying to be polite, but I swear when a nigga write from the pen, it's gonna ignite. It's like. Stay out of sight, and I'm trying to be polite, but I swear when a nigga write from the pen, it's gonna ignite. It's like.